Hi, RTN Slides is here, and today I'll be showing you on how to create minimalist wallpaper for your PC or laptop. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is to just simply change the default size of our presentation. So this is the default size, and we'll change it to this one. And just simply hit OK and hit this button. And you're good to go. And then the next thing that we need to do is to just simply paste your desired photo. For me, I would choose this photo from Unsplash. And the next thing we need to do is just to go to format picture and hit artistic effect. Set it to blur and then increase the radius of it. Let's say 60. There you go. And after that, we will be needing to copy this photo and then set the radius back to 0. And there you have it. Alright, so next, just move this photo aside and then right click on the white background and hit the format background. In here, just choose this button and hit the clipboard. Now you have your blurred photo as your main background and your original photo on the first layer of your presentation. So your slide should look like this. Good job! You're actually doing great. Let's continue. So the next thing that we need to do is to insert our rounded rectangle shape on our presentation. So just go to insert and hit the shape and select this rounded rectangle and insert it on your slide. It should look like this. So just remove the shape outline and then go to format shape and then select the slide background fill. And that's how you create your glass morphism effect on your presentation slide. Alright, you're doing great. The next thing we need to do is just to add some accent by just adding some shadows on our glass. And if you're not satisfied to the shadow of it, just go to this section, hit shadow, and just increase the blur of it and decrease the transparency of it. So just do your own experiment and it is all up to you how are you going to design your shadow. For me, I think this is enough already. So the next thing that we need to do is just to utilize our glass morphism effect by just duplicating it and position it here and duplicate it again. And I would like to create the fake dynamic effect for our piece. So I should be adding this oblong glass morphism effect on our slide. And it should look like this. You're good to go. Alright, so I just copied and pasted all of the elements from my ready-made slide to this wallpaper. So this is just simply text. As you can see, I've used Arial for the font style and just increase the size of it. And for here, I just copied and pasted some of the images from the internet and just compiled it so that it will look like a dynamic island design on our PC or on our wallpaper. Isn't it great? So the other elements on our wallpaper just came from different website on the internet and just copied and pasted here. So it should look like this. So the wallpaper just literally contained with different images and text. Alright, so the next thing that we need to do is go to File and then afterwards go to Export and then select the change file type and select the PNG and then just simply hit the Save As. So your output should look like this. As you can see, if we will zoom it in, as you can see, the quality of the photo is really high. So this is the reason why we increased the size of our presentation earlier instead of using the default size of it. So this is the final output and I really hope that you've learned something from our tutorial today and I really hope you could utilize this to design your PC or laptop. Please do subscribe and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!